Too easy. Island of Jamaica, yeah.
Konnichiwa. 안녕하세요.
What up? What's happening, beautiful people? We here again. Welcome back to my channel. We got Tay and Jay here.
From Tay and Jay.
No,
YouTube,
no.
check us out.
They subscribe, like the video. They got some good content. It's gonna be down in the description. So click it.
So what are we doing today, Mari's World?
So today we got some Korean and Japanese snacks. We going to taste, and if it is good, we say oi. If it is not, we say oi.
I hope you aren't offended, Korean.
I love Koreans and I love Japanese people. I love y'all Koreans and Japanese people. Oi. Thank you, card. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Where did we get this box? Num num boxo. Hey. Okay. Num num boxo.
Alright, so we have tons of over 20 different snacks here. There's a mixture of Korean and Japanese. So who's going to go first? No who?
Ladies first. Enjoy.
Stop.
Alright, ladies first. Ladies first. Always remember that, guys. Ladies first.
I got this strawberry. I have no clue. I think it's focused on. I can't. Oh crap! My eyes not focused. Shit! So big.
Okay.
No, it's like a biscuit thing. Oh, we should have definitely gone like kampai.
Oi.
Oh, jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot chili.
Caramucho.
Caramucho, hey.
A chili caramucho. Alright, cool. This, you know what this reminds me of? Anyone has heard this before? The chips, the stick chips as a child?
Yeah.
Reminds me of that one. Yeah.
Struggling.
Oh, look, those ones that is
Struggling.
I'm thirsty already.
Struggling.
Pure muscle.
Yeah, right. What flavor is it?
What is this?
Ew!
Garlic, tomato, and everything.
It tastes like Maggi seasoning.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'm still eating it, cause you know.
Just diving.
What's that?
Okay, that's it.
Okay, that's it.
Cookie, this is.
Oi.
Is that like French or something?
Oi.
Never. I thought this was going to be like a
I
chocolate
thought
bar.
it's a chocolate
This is
bar.
a,
Alright.
you know the Christmas cookies you get in the time? That's exactly what it tastes like.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Whoa! Barbecue flavor. We'll have to put this for later, so we'll do this after. So I guess
Ramen.
somebody else can. Yeah. So this is the ramen barbecue flavor. Oh! Don't boil it, crunch it.
Oh.
Noodle
Okay.
snack.
Noodle
Oh,
snack.
noodle
Okay,
snack.
okay.
Oh.
Noodle snack. Oi.
So how to enjoy it? Smash the noodles. Ow. It said smash it, then sprinkle the spices, shake and enjoy. Alright, let's do this. Lay down. So this
Oh, are you so strong?
I don't know. Alright, so this is the spice. No clue what it says. Should be fun. Yeah, we're definitely going to a box. Oh, we need a. Oh, look, a magic ball. Ta-da! Oh, we needed to have actually smashed it. Oh well.
Whoa! Whoa!
The point was to not. Oh my god. That's enough. Yes, you're strong. You're strong. Sprinkle. There's more. But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
Alright. 5.
Spicy.
Okay.
This is like what we'd eat as a child. It's nice.
We can just end the video.
Wait.
Yeah. Alright. Poteur.
Are there French
Poteur.
words in here?
C'est français. C'est de France. C'est poteur. It's French. It smells so good.
This is good.
Alright, so this is like Ritz bits. Yeah, of course. Nothing. Oh, this looks like chocolate. This looks like straight chocolate.
What time?
Interesting.
What time?
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, this is good.
It do
This
taste
is
like
like
hazelnut.
the way fast.
It
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, so it's that.
Macaron stick.
This is good.
Melon drink so.
Oh.
Melon carbonated drink. Oh, I can't open this. Oh.
窓から見える輝く梅一輪
Idiot.
Magic cups.
Yay! Magic cup!
I'm fine.
This is definitely something I would get. What do you think?
Yup, definitely.
It's supposed to be a carbonated drink, but it's not as strong as the carbonated drinks here in America. Alright, just give us a moment. Oh please! He wanted to grab that thing for so long. That was amazing.
Potato.
Potato fries.
And this is actually really popular in Japan. Oh, I mean the Philippines. Alright, so people have been raving about tomato ketchup chips. Even in like Canada, like so this is different.
Why are these stuff so hard to open? Alright, try it.
Don't even try it first. But you know, go take it easy. When you're ready, boys.
Alright.
Boys, when you're ready, let me come and save the day. Come on, just wait. First of all, somebody with their lotion hands, right? Secure the area. It's a technique.
No, she
He
squeezed
squeezes out the ear out of it.
But that's a technique. And then, easy.
Cheater.
Bam.
Cheater.
Girls
Took
rock.
the easy way out.
Girls, not this in Jamaica. It was
Yeah.
really good.
This
Yeah.
is actually good.
I actually like this.
It's alright.
But overall, what can we say about the snacks?
They're really good.
They were
Some-
tasty.
but
Most
most
of
of them are really good.
My favorite for sure was the noodle snack.
The noodle snack was very surprising.
Noodle snack, yes.
But to be honest, even if it's a very weird texture like the mochi, it wasn't bad. So
wasn't
there wasn't
bad,
anything
but-
that you were like, ugh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
The drink was good too.
Drink was really good.
Yeah. I think my favorite has to be the drink.
Yeah.
Melon drink.
It was
Yeah.
really good.
Well,
So, I guess that's it.
yeah.
Let go. So, came to the end of the video. The snacks were pretty good, as we said before, and I want to thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed our snacks. You can go and try it. All of them snacks. Go try it. Go try it. Go try it. Remember, enjoy.